Hello and welcome to JB's Garage. In today's video, we're installing a JB4 chip tuner on this 2020 F60 or Mini Cooper S Countryman F60 front-wheel drive with the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. So we're gonna do first things first, as their instructions state. Lock the doors, pop the hood, keep the key away from the vehicle for over 10 minutes. Alright, we're back. Walking back up after letting the car sit for 10 minutes with the key 20 plus feet away. We're gonna pop the hood. Oink. Oh god, I'm about to drop everything. Where's my toolkit? Okay, so what I read is from their instructions, you take off the engine cover and you take off the driver's side cowl. I hope we're talking about US driver's side. Alright, so you can see we have our engine cover removed. You just literally lift all around the edges and it comes right up. Okay, so here's where we are. I have our adapter basically plugged into our map sensor here. Other half goes here, and then went to work over here next. So I removed the factory little intake pipe. It's just 210mm bolts. Alright, we're gonna work with this sensor here. We're gonna unclip it, press it out, and attach the adapter. Alright, well that's it. We're just gonna have to tuck all the wires, make sure they're all secure, zip tie them as needed. But you have basically your adapter here and your adapter here. Some versions have another adapter for the electronic wastegate, but this one doesn't have that. This is an older used kit that I had gotten. But let's close all this up, put this all back, and see how it goes. Cool, can't even tell it's modified. Let's go take it for a spin. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me guys know what you think of your JB4, whatever you have installed on your Mini. Personally, I would go with the 2 RPM. It's just me, but I acquired this. Might as well slap a JB4 that I got on this. This is not mine. This is family members, but this is always fun to play with. But yeah, hope you guys all enjoyed this video. And until the next video, take care.